When filing with ACAwise, there are several ways of filing depending on which solution you have. With the ACA core package, we will generate and e-file your ACA Forms 1094 and 1095 based on the form data you provide. You have two options for filing. You could either use our template and copy and paste your information or just upload your own. If you use our template, the upload will be instant. If you use your own template, you will need to allow for processing time. To download our templates, from your dashboard, select an organization if necessary. Then click on the Templates tab under Upload. For ACA core users, the following templates are available: Form 1094B and 1095B for employers and insurers, and Form 1094C and 1095C for ALEs. Once you download one of these templates, open them in a program like Excel. It will open on the Instructions tab. Navigate to the appropriate tab here and start filling out the information. To see an example of what this should look like, click on the appropriate sample data page. You will then need to save this file and re-upload it here in ACAwise to continue filing.